Hey everybody, welcome to a new video, a new capturing history video. Hope you guys enjoyed the 4th of July special. I did. I enjoyed creating that. There's the planes again. We are back in this beautiful place. No trench, no foxhole today. But there will be more trench and foxhole videos, or that kind of videos, pretty soon. And there's some dark clouds over there. It might rain on us again. Just what I needed, right? Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy the 4th of July special. Of course, I did. I enjoyed making it. I hope you guys enjoyed the little sneak peek, the little teaser towards Cold War, The Lost Brother. So yeah, today we're just going to be impersonating again the 29th Infantry. I know it's getting boring, but I will assure you there is more new, fresh stuff and content coming along the way, coming your way. I'm not going to spoil it, obviously. I don't want to ruin the fun, right? But yeah, we're going to have our ration. We're going to have rations and some coffee and stuff like that. So yeah. So before we start things off, I'm just going to show you what I have. Now just a little bit of a breakdown. There's my tripod. Over here's my helmet with my netting. And the strap, khaki strap. I am using the M1 carbine today. I thought I'd give my other two guns a rest and do the M1 carbine for today. It's been a while since I've done the M1 carbine impression, so I thought, why not do the M1 carbine for today? And then right here we got my general purpose bag and my musette bag. I thought I'd give or take a break from using my haversack for a while, as it is a lot of work to pack things in the haversack, and then you gotta close all the flaps, and it's just a bunch of work. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted to keep things nice and simple for today. Then I got my pistol belt with my first aid pouch and kit in there. This is original pouch and kit right here. Got my canteen and cup and cover here, and I got the M1 carbine pouch from 1943 with, of course, clips in there. Clips, I mean magazines, Lord have mercy. So yeah, we're gonna start out with some pineapple. So yeah. Oh, and for the uniform, I got the garrison cap here, the infantry one, of course. I got my M41 jacket, and it is hot today. It's like 90-something degrees out here, or 87. Look at them clouds over there. Let me zoom in. They're dark. It'd be cool if we had some thunder and rain for today. It'd cool off the air a little bit, and it would be cool for the video. And I wouldn't really mind it, since we are underneath these lovely trees. Look at them. I love them. I like trees. Anyway, yeah, I just got a basic white undershirt. Dog tags, of course, with the P38 can opener. And then for below, I got the HBTs, because it's middle of July now, so got the herringbone twill pants on for the summer. And then I got the boot covers, the gaiters, of course, iconic. And I got the low boots, the rough out low boots, I think. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to set up my camera on the tripod, and then we'll get into some pineapples, because I think I have pineapples. We'll see. It'll either be crackers or pineapples or coffee, because I am a little bit hungry. So let's get into it. Okay, I hope the lighting is good for y'all. Got the camera set up here. I'm going to change out to my helmet here. just because we are in the war zone, obviously. So yeah, see what we got here. Garrison cap. Start getting things out here. So, it's a little windy today. That's good. Let me show you what I got for rations today. Got my mess kit, flashlight, but we won't be needing it today. This has my coffee stuff in here actually, so. Then right here, I got my rations, breakfast stuff. And I got a can of sausages here for later. I also have a can of sausages in here. But no sign of the so I know I got like 2 of them. See. Cracker time. While we eat our crackers, I'm going to read up on some German. German language guidebook. This is an original from 1942. Thing. No, 1943. June 24th. Oh, whoa. I don't know how to get rid of them. There we go. Well, that's enough German reading for today. Water time. Gotta stay hydrated because it's hot out here. Okay, so it is raining. Thankfully, we're underneath this. Yeah, it is. Weird. Anyway. We are going to keep making our coffee even if it's raining. Because it's July 1944. Near Paris. We're almost there. Almost to Paris. I think spoon. If I had my wool blanket, I'd curl up, but it is too hot for that. You know? Thundering a little bit over here, so that's cool. It's still a little hot, but I'll get over it. I will say this. I will tease a little something here. I am getting a new gun. I am getting a new World War II gun for the videos. The first week of August. Or mid-August. I'm going to order it mid-August. So I can have it for the fall. And and next year. Battle bowls and stuff like that. In a comment section down below, put your thoughts on what kind of, or what gun I'm going to add to my collection. Put your thoughts down below in this video. Because I've been thinking about it since a little after D-Day, like, what should I add? And then it occurred to me, I'm going to go with this gun. And I think it would look great. Hear that? Thunder. Here comes Thor, or Zeus. I am going to be going to D-Day, Ohio, as a reenactor. Not yet. Not yet. I'm probably saving it for next year. I'm going as this as a visitor. I'll be walking around with my camera. So, and if you're going, you might just see me there. You might. Who knows? I can't wait to go. I went last year, and I can't wait to go again this year. It was so fun to watch the battle and everything, and see everybody in uniform, all the reenactors in uniform. It was fun. Until we got rained out on the last day. On the final day of the event. That was a bummer. I remember I was underneath a tent. Not an army tent, but, well, technically an army tent. I think it was the National Guard tent. Or it could have been just standard army, but it's one of the two. It's either U.S. Army or National Guard. One of the two. The Rolling Thunder. Anyway, I'll be there with this camera that I'm filming on right now. Filming everything, filming the tanks, and of course the D-Day invasion. Filming everything there. Eating a lot of food. Like the funnel cakes. I had funnel cakes last year. And breaking my bank account with buying stuff. And if you do see me there, you see what I'll be getting for next year. next year's videos. But, yeah, there goes our coffee. And now it's patrol time. After I sip this water and take this leaf off. It's hot. It's middle of July. In Paris. Rolling thunder, rolling thunder, rolling thunder, rolling thunder. So it's officially raining, and oh, my stomach's getting wet. All of it. But never to fear. So I got this to protect the camera. A little hat here. So we won't be having any food for right now. It's raining. It was not supposed to do this. It was not supposed to freaking rain, dude. I had a pretty intense battle earlier. But as you can tell, it's rainy. That's okay. It's World War II. You can't always get your way in this weather. I was going to get some more water, but it's a little rainy right now, so I won't. I mean, I guess I could, but I'm not going to want to right now. I got my garrison cap on top of the camera. I'm sorry about the lens, though. As long as the basic camera controls are good, we'll be fine and dandy. But right now, can't really cook anything with this weather. I was gonna have some sausage. That's out the window, so enjoy some silent thunder and rain. Take the camera underneath this thing now. Everything is getting soaked. My garrison cap too. So it is rainy out there. Over there's my equipment. Right there. I'm just drying you all off. Look at this. Uh-oh. Look at the rain. Look at this. It's gonna be a while. It's starting to flood down here. Over there. My gun and everything is getting soaked over there. That stuff is fine. Except for maybe one thing in my booklet, but it's underneath. Holy frick-a-doo. Alright, I'm just gonna place you on here, but look at my hat. Oh, look at this. I think it's starting to clear up here. And it's still a little rainy. You can still maybe look at this. This is beautiful. And my garrison cap is drenched. Everything is drenched. Hi-yo silver. As you can tell, everything here is soaking wet. I think we're good to, I mean, my hat is great. I don't want to get my hair all wet. I'm sure I'll get cheered out for a wet hat. As you can tell, everything here is underwater. That's okay. Now we're gonna have these sausages. Yeah. The gun is all wet. That's great. And then here's my mess kit. Wet. Wooden dog. And then this is wet and dirty. But the contents are dry. So that's a good thing. And then my Esprit burner is... So I don't know how that's going to work with the sausages. We'll figure it out. And then this is wet, filled with water, and my cup is filled with it. But it cleaned out some guns. So I am going to say one thing. Now, with me being all wet, this is the full experience you can get. With your gun wet, your sling all wet, your hat, helmet, liner, and everything wet. Boot covers wet, your boots wet and muddy. Your jacket, your uniform jacket wet. You being wet, of course. Your pants being all wet. That's what everybody in the war went through. Not everybody, but all the soldiers you see on film. It's about, what I do is about showing you the experience. So, with it raining and everything, I wanted you all to show the experience of a U.S. soldier being in the rain and being soaking wet. And here I am, soaking wet as a U.S. World War II soldier. And in July, with the heat, and it being close to Paris, France, and on the front lines, fighting Germans. Some of those guys had to fight Germans in that kind of rain. But this is what it's like, what it was like for them. Sitting in this grass and dirt, wearing this uniform, holding their guns like this, whether it be M1 carbine, M1 Garand, Thompson, grease gun, BAR, anything. What they were carrying, being wet, this is the full experience. But enough of me blabbering, let's get to cooking up the sausages because I'm freaking hungry. I just want food. Food! Food, food. I hope my matches isn't wet. Which they probably are, but that's okay. But this is the last WWII match of the evening. Or the afternoon. Light for me, buddy. You're the last match. There we go. It's lit. And I lit that too soon because I need to. Well, guys, I'm not going to be able to use my P38 can opener because Dumbo here lit this too soon, so I'm going to have to do it this way. And I don't want to hear in the comments why I'm cooking it like this. It's easier. I don't care. Who cares? You know? It's not going to kill me. So, hush. Oh my God, look at all the steam. You can also roast it. That's a good idea. I'm going to try that. Look at this. Roast it. Get off me, mosquito. Roast your oh, wiener dog. Look at that. Nice and cooked now. Oh, that's hot. Yummy. Well, this will conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys did enjoy the little rainstorm we had in there. I thought that gave a nice little effect, nice little touch to the video. I hope you guys did enjoy that. I know I did, so I enjoyed putting it together. I enjoyed having the rain, even though I'm not a big fan of rain. It was nice to have and nice to show what a U.S. soldier in World War II had to go through with the rain there as well, because they also went through it, and it was nice to get that experience firsthand in the rain as a U.S. World War II GI. So on that note, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out.